Types of fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are those fractions which have the same denominator. Like fractions are those fractions which have the same denominator. See the example. In this figure, fraction is 2 by 5, and in this figure, fraction is 4 by 5. Both the denominators are same. So these are like fractions. And what are unlike fractions? Which have different denominators. Unlike fractions which have different denominators is known as unlike fractions. See the example. This fraction is of 4 by 8, and here this fraction is of 6 by 11. Both the fractions have the different denominator. So these are unlike fractions. Now next is unit fraction. Unit fractions are those which have 1 as their numerator. Unit fractions are those which have 1 as the numerator. In these fractions, examples: 1 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. All these fractions have numerator is 1. So these are like fractions. Now what are the equivalent? Equivalent fractions are those fractions which look different but are equal. 2 by 5 or 4 by 10. 2 by 5 is same as 4 by 10. 2 by यदि कटिंग करिए आ जाएगा साढ़े को 4 by 10 द 2 by 5. It means कि both of these are equivalent fractions. And if we multiply them by cross multiply, 2 by 5 और 4 by 10, दोनों से अगर 10 नाल मल्टीप्लाई कर देने वी आर गेटिंग 20, और 4 ਨੂੰ 5 ਨਾਲ मल्टीप्लाई कर देने वी आर गेटिंग 20. इट मीन्स कि बोथ ऑफ दीज आर equivalent fractions. 2 by 5 and 4 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Now next is see your exercise. Pick out the like fractions. 2 by 5 is have the same denominator, 3 by 5. 7 by 11, 4 by 11. 3 by 6, 2 by 6. 1 by 8 and 5 by 8. These are like fractions. Which are like and which are unlike in the second question? 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 1 by 6. Same have same denominator. So these are like. Different denominators, unlike. Here it is this question C part. All the denominators are different, so these are unlike fractions. And in D part, all the denominators are same in these fractions, so these are like fractions. Now see your next question, which are unit fractions. Having the same numerator is 1. जिन्हें फ्रैक्शनल का न्यूमरेटर 1 है, these are unit fractions. 1 by 8, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 11, 1 by 6. Next, write unit fraction. 3 is given you. 3 is the denominator. तो उसे लिखना है write a unit fraction for each of the following denominator. Denominator is given you 3. That is D. Denominator. तो उसी fraction लिखनी है. Fraction is 1 by 3. Here the denominator is 11. So fraction is 1 by 11. In this way you can do all these sums. Equivalent fractions. Question number 5. 8 by 9 and 24 by 27. By cross multiply. 8 multiply 27. You are getting 216. 9 multiply 24. You are getting 216. So these are equivalent fractions. Next, C part. 4 by 7 and 16 by 21. By cross multiply. 4 nu 21 na, 7 nu 16 dena. We are getting different numbers, so these are not equivalent fractions. Next question, write 5 equivalent fractions. Question number 6, write 5 equivalent fractions of 4 by 11. 4 by 11 अगर असी 1 ਨਾਲ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, you are getting 4 by 11. You have to write 5 equivalent fractions. 2 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰੋ ਨਿਊਮੀਰੇਟਰ ਔਰ ਡਿਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਨੂੰ, ਫਿਰ 3 ਨਾਲ, ਫਿਰ 4 ਨਾਲ, multiply with the numerator and the denominator by the same number. We are getting 8 by 22, 12 by 33, 16 by 44 and 20 by 55. 5 equivalent fractions. 4 by 11 is equal to 8 by 22 is equal to 12 by 33 is equal to 16 by 44 is equal to 20 by 55. Now question number 7. Compare. Put greater, lesser or equal 4 by 9 and 3 by 9. Denominators are same. Numerator 4 is greater than 3. So 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. 12 by 25. Denominators are same. So 12 is greater than 9. Numerator is greater than. Numerator 12 is greater than numerator 9. Here the denominators are same. But 5 is less than 8. 6 by 8 is and 6 by 16. When the denominators are different, which denominator is smaller, that is the greater number. Now 6 by 8 is the greater number. When the denominators are different, the value of the denominator which is smaller, that fraction is greater. 6 by 8 is greater than 6 by 16. अगर बाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं 6 ਨੂੰ 16 ਨਾਲ तो 96 आएगा, 8 ਨੂੰ 6 ਨਾਲ करेंगे तो 48 आएगा, then 96 is greater than 48. It means कि 6 by 8 is greater than 6 by 16. Next question, write in ascending order. 6 by 8, 2 by 8, 5 by 8, 7 by 8. All the denominators are same. Ascending order सब तो पहले छोटा नंबर 2 by 8, फिर 5 by 8, फिर 6 by 8, फिर 7 by 8. Write the numbers. 1 to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write the numbers in ascending order. B part. 6 by 10, 6 by 7, 6 by 11, 6 by 9. All the denominators are different. Which denominator have greater value? That fraction is smaller. Here 6 by 11 is smallest value. 6 by 11 is the smallest fraction. उसके बाद नंबर 2 दे हैं 6 by 10, फिर 6 by 9, then again 6 by 7. That is in the ascending order. सब तो छोटा नंबर. Six by 11. Next, write in descending order. 5 by 8, 5 by 13, 8 by 13, 4 by 13, 6 by 13. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर से सब तो बड़ा पहले डिनोमिनेटर्स देखो सेम है. सब तो बड़ा नंबर का है 8 by 13, फिर 6 by 13, फिर 5 by 13, फिर 4 by 13. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन 5 by 7, 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. Greater 6 by 7. Number 2 5 by 7, number 3 4 by 7, number 4 5 by 2 by 7 because all the denominators are same. Now next 4 by 9, 4 by 7, 4 by 5, 4 by 11. Here numerators are same but the denominators are different. Which fraction have smallest denominator? That is the greatest fraction. Descending order से पहले सब तो बड़ा नंबर लिखी था. So 4 by 5 is greatest. उसके बाद 4 by 7, उसके बाद 4 by 9, उसके बाद 4 by 11. In this way you can write. Next question 7 by 12, 7 by 8, 7 by 9, 7 by 15. Which is greatest? That is 7 by 8. उसके बाद 7 by 9, 7 by 12, 7 by 15. All the denominators are different. So सब तो smallest denominator होगा, that is the greatest number. Write two fractions greater than 6 by 11. Greater than, दो fractions greater लिखनी है. 6 by 11, उसके बाद क्या आएगा 7 by 11, 8 by 11. Two fractions less than 8 by 9, that is 7 by 9 and 6 by 9. Less than 8 by 9, 7 by 9 and 6 by 9. Okay, thank you.